The Chevron Seed Stitch is a lovely stitch. It's actually a vintage stitch and was very popular in the 50s and the 60s. It's ideal for beginners because it only has 2 stitches, the knit stitch and the seed is the purl stitch. This pattern works in 4 rows. Row 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it repeats. What you need to do is cast on 8 stitches. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, and that's from the start to the finish of the pattern. The front of our chevron seed stitch looks very different to the back. As you can see, the wrong side is the purl side of our knitting project. Starting with row 1, purl 1, bring your yarn to the back and we knit 3. 1, 2, knit 3. We move our yarn to the front, purl 1 stitch and we knit 3. Knit 1, knit 2, knit 3. So now we've finished the pattern. 2, 4, 6, 8. Repeat the pattern. Row 2, we turn to our wrong side of our knitting. Knit 1, move the yarn to the front and purl 5. Purl 1, purl 2, purl 3, purl 4, purl 5. Move the yarn to the back and we knit 1 and we move the yarn to the front and purl 1. So repeat that pattern for the remaining stitches on your first needle. Turn your knitting to the front and now we're doing row 3. Knit 2, 1, 2, move the yarn to the front, purl 1, then we move the yarn to the back and we knit 3. 1, 2, 3, we move the yarn to the front, purl 1 and move the yarn to the back, knit 1. So that completes the pattern for row 3. For your remaining stitches, repeat that pattern. Turn your work to the back and now we're going to start with row 4. Purl 2, purl 1, purl 2, Move your yarn to the back, knit 1, move your yarn to the front, purl 1, move your yarn to the back, knit 1, and move your yarn to the front as we purl 3. 1, 2, 3. So now that you've completed the pattern for row 4, repeat for the remaining stitches on your needle. Now you've completed the chevron seed stitch.